Sanbanani, welcome again to our Code Switching 2020 in our Isizulu lessons. This is our lesson number 9. We are still doing vocabulary words. To call another person, ukubiza omunye umuntu. To call another person, ukubiza omunye umuntu. To carry, ukuthwala, ukuthwala, to carry. To climb, ukugibela, ukugibela, to climb. To close, ukuvala, ukuvala, to close. To come, ukuza, ukuza. To come in, ukungena, ukungena, to come in. To come out or to emerge, ukuphuma, ukuphuma. To come out or to emerge, ukuphuma. To cook, ukupheka, ukupheka. To cry, ukukhala, ukukhala, to cry. To dance, ukugida or ukusina or ukugiya or ukudansa. We have 4 words in Isizulu that means dance. Ukugida, ukusina, ukugiya, ukudansa. Those are the 4 words in Isizulu that means dance, to dance. Ukugida or ukusina or ukugiya or ukudansa. To delay, ukulibazisa, ukulibazisa, that is to delay. To destroy, ukuchitha or ukushabalalisa, ukuchitha or ukushabalalisa. To do, ukwenza, ukwenza, that is to do. To drink, ukuphuza, ukuphuza. That was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos on Isizulu lesson, you should go to Code Switching 2020.